What's going on, everyone? It's King Craft back with another custom tutorial. In this video, we'll be turning these Gatorades into a SoleFly Jordan 1 custom. First, we'll be prepping the whole shoe with acetone. Second, we'll be taping up the midsole and the Gatorade logo. Now that it's taped up, we'll be spraying flat white by the Nike check along with the heel and toe box. Now that the white is sprayed, we'll be taping up around the Nike check. Next, we'll be spraying the heel and toe box red. After that, we'll be taping up over the red. Last, we'll be spraying the dark green over the whole shoe. Now we have to tape up the whole upper so we can paint the midsole and the outsole. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content.